Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective questions of surface chemistry topic. The first question is adsorption is a phenomenon in which a substance. The right answer is B accumulates on the surface of some other substance. Second question adsorbed acetic acids on activated charcoal is. The right answer is A adsorbate. Question number third. The adsorptions of hydrogen by palladium is called. The right answer is occultation. Fourth question. How many layers are adsorbed in a chemical absorption? The right answer is fourth the B, that is 1. Question number fifth. Azoine used to detect the end point of precipitation titration by adsorption is called. That is the fifth ka B, that is adsorptions indicator. Question number 6. The extent of the adsorptions of a gas on a solid depends upon. So study all of these: nature of gas, temperature of gas, pressure of the gas. Next question number 6. Which factor affects adsorptions? The right answer is D, all of these in temperature, surface area and pressure. Question number 8. Absorption due to the strong chemical forces is called. The right answer is B, chemisorption. Question number 9. The solution of rubber is an example of. The right answer is 9th D, molecular collide. Question number 10. Smoke is a colloidal dispersion of. The right answer is 10th ka A, that is solid in gas. Question number 11. Difference between crystalloids and colloids is of. The right answer is 11th ka C, that is size of particles. Question number 12. Which of the following colloids are solvent loving colloids? The right answer is 12 ka A, lipophilically. Question number 13. Which of the following colloids are solvent hating colloids? The right answer is 13 ka B, that is lipophilic. Question 14. The CMC is the concentration at which. The right answer is B, micronization. Question 15. If the dispersed phase is a liquid and the dispersion medium is a solid, the colloid is known as. 15 ka D, that is gel. Question 16. The diameter of colloidal particle range from. The right answer is 10 to the power -9 meter to 10 to the power -6 meter. Question number 17. A colloid solution of a liquid in a solid is termed as B, gel. Question number 18. An example of associated colloid is Schoop solution. Question 19. The process of spreading a crystalloid form a colloid by a filtration is called. The right answer is 19 B, that is dialysis. Question number 20. The separation of colloidal particles from those of molecular dimension is called. The right answer is B, A, that is dialysis. Question number 21. The dialysis can be separate which of the following in addition to glucose from human blood? The right answer is 21 ka C, that is protein. Question 22. When a few typical solutes are separated by a particular selective membrane which as a protein particles from blood corpuscles, the process is called B, that is dialysis. Question 33. Colloidal solutions are not purified by B, electrophoresis. Question 24. Alum purifies muddy water by. The right answer is D, that is coagulation. 25. In which of the following Tyndall effect is not observed? The right answer is 25 ka B, that is sugar solution. Question 26. The movement of colloidal particle under the influence of electric field is called. The right answer is D, that is electrophoresis. Question 27. When a strong beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, the light is called B, scattered. Question 28. Scattering of a light takes place in. The right answer is D, that is colloidal solution. Question 29. Which of the following colloidal solution is commonly used as a germ killer? Right answer is A. Colloidal sulfur. Question 30. Colloidal solution commonly used in the treatment of eye disease is. The right answer is C. That is colloidal antimony. Question 31. The bleeding of wound is stopped by the application of ferric chloride because. The right answer is D. Blood is coagulated and the blood vessels are sealed. Question 32. Medicines are more effective if they are used in. The right answer is 32 का C, that is colloidal state. Question 33. Artificial rain is caused by sparing. The right answer is D. Opposite charge colloidal dust over a cloud. Question 34. Which of the following colloidal solution is used in a photography? The right answer is A. Colloidal silver bromide. Question 35. Cod liver is an example of. The right answer is C. Water in oil emulsion. Question 36. Milk is an example of A. Oil in water emulsion. Question 37. The process of spreading of a cream from milk is called. The right answer is B. Demulsification. Question 38. The ability of a catalyst to accelerate the chemical reaction is known as. 38 का B, that is your activity. In case of auto catalyst, the right answer is A. Reactant catalyst. Question 40. A biological catalyst is essentially B. An enzyme. Question 43. Question 41. The reaction is in zeolite catalyst depends upon. The right answer is D. All of these, any apertures, size of cavities and pores. Question 42 का A. The catalyst used in a Ziegler process for polyethylene manufacture. 42. The right answer is A. Consists of aluminum triethyl and titanium tetrachloride. 43. Shape selective catalysts are known by the name because. The right answer is C. Size of pores of the catalyst can trap only selective species. Question 44. The formation of colloid form suspension is. The right answer is A. Papistation. Question 45. Which one is not a colloidal solution? The right answer is 45 का B. Air. Question 46. Which of the following is a homogeneous system? The right answer is D. That is solution of a sugar in water. Question 47. Smoke is an example of. The right answer is C. Solid dispersed in a gas. Question 48. Which one of the following correctly match? The right answer is A. 48 का A. That is aerosol smoke. Question 49. Which of the following is not a colloid? The right answer is A. Chlorophyll. Second. Question 50 का A. Whipped cream is an example of A. Liquid gas. Question 51. Butter is a colloid formed when water is dispersed in fat. Question 52. Fog is an example of colloidal system of. The right answer is A. Liquid in a gas. Question 53. A colloid always has a two phase. Question 54. Light scattering take place in B. Colloidal solution. Question 55. The Brownian motion is due to. The Brownian motion is due to C. Impact of molecules of the dispersion medium on the colloidal particle. Question 56. Milk can be preserved by adding a few drops of A. HCHO solution. Question 57. Which of the following shows Tyndall effect? The right answer is C. SOL. Question 58. The sky looks blue due to. What is the right answer? Due to scattering. Question 59. The blue color of the water in the sea is due to scattering of blue light by water molecules. Question 60. Which of the following does not contain a hydrophobic structure? The right answer is 60 का, that is D, rubber. Question 61. Cold number is the index for A, protective collide. Question 62. Sulfur solution contains 62. The right answer is C, that is large aggregates of sulfur molecules. Question 63. Sedimentation potential is the reverse of D, electrophoresis. Question 64. Which one is the example of miscellaneous systems here? The right answer is 64 का A, that is soap plus water. Question 65. Colloidal medicines are more effective because का D, that is they are easily assembled and absorbed. Question 66. Out of the following, which one is the example of emulsion? 66 का B, that is milk. Next question number 67. Which one is the emulsifier? The A, soap is an emulsifier. 68. Vanishing cream is an example of A, solid emulsion. The detergent action of a soap is due to its, the right answer is A, that is emulsify property. Question 70. A photochemical reaction is initiated by a light emission. 71. The catalyst used in the manufacture of hydrogen by Bose process is C, that is Fe2O3 plus Cr2O3. Question 72. Question 71 का C, that is Fe2CO3 plus Cr2O3. Question 72. Which, when river water meets sea water, delta formation take place? It is due to the phenomenon of, the right answer is B, coagulation. Question 73. The catalyst used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process is C, V2O5. Question 74. Protons increase the rate of hydrolysis of esters. This is an example of C, an acid-based catalyst. Question 75. Soap helps its cleaning the clothes because, the right answer is B, that is it reduces the surface of the solution. Question 76. Which one of the following element is used in a common catalyst? The right answer is C, that is nickel. Question number 77. A catalyst poison is essentially, the right answer is A, inhibitor. Question 78. The decomposition of H2O2 is related by phosphoric acid. The phosphoric acid acts as A, negative catalyst. Question 79. In acid-base catalyst, the real catalyst is H plus ion. Question 80. Muddy water is purified by adding alum due to, the right answer is B, coagulation. And the enzyme pectinium used for digestion of food is present in, the right answer is A, salvia. Question 82. Reverse of swelling of gel is known as A, syneresis. Thanks for watching and sharing.